Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on back. Come on, baby. Come on back. Come on back, baby. Come on. Please, God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Please make it back. Please. Oh my God. Please make it back. Please make it back. Come on, baby. Come on around. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Please. Please. Oh God. There it is. Okay. Still in the air. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh my God. Come on. Yes. Okay, still in the air. Still in the air. Still in the air. Come on, baby. Okay, there it is. There it is. Okay. 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 There it is. There it is. I'm gonna guess it's coming in from the west. It's gonna land on that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay. 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 I might catch this. Let's see. Okay. There's the alignment with the runway. Okay, emergency. You can see emergency vehicles coming in on the runway. I see emergency vehicles on the runway now coming over to 19 right. I live directly under 19 left. They're coming into 19 right. I see a jet on the west end of 19 left, facing, I believe, facing us. That's where they've been taking off from. Okay, I see, looks like emergency vehicles on the far corner. I don't see the airplane yet. I don't see it yet. I don't know. I think it must have been a bird strike. Did you hear the booms? Yeah, that was the plane. I got up and I went and looked the other way. It was pulling smoke out of the right engine. Bad. And then they recovered, and he's holding altitude. We should be seeing him come in. There's emergency people right down here. That's we're looking right down 19 left. That's 19 right over there. He's coming in from, I don't know those numbers right offhand, but I believe he's coming in from the west. Pardon?
We heard, me and my fiance.
Oh yeah, no, it shocked the shit out of me, but I knew exactly what it was because it was happening during the plane. And I'm gonna guess bird strike. Yeah, scared the shit out of me. I don't see the plane yet, but it should be coming in shortly. I'm guessing it's gonna come in from the west because that's the way he was setting up. I'm just trying to watch the end of the runway and should be seeing it coming in any second now. I don't know, this is gonna be tricky. He's most likely full of fuel. So hopefully it was just an engine problem and the gear comes down okay. And oh, okay, I see it. I see one coming in on 19 right. There's something coming in on 19 right. That must be him. You see it next to the Grove sign that lights? That's him. It's got to be him. Yeah, I'm going to turn this. Yeah, that's him. Come on, baby. Yeah, he's going to touch down. Yeah, okay. I can't see him anymore. Oh, okay, I can see, hold on, I can see a little bit of a gap.